will take the outer layer off and then cut to pieces. I had two that was dried and I took the outer skin off. I'll go ahead and blend it. I'm preparing a simple salad, and I will be trying the avocado seed. Pieces might be better with salad. The benefits of the avocado seed are many. One is it lowers the blood pressure, it reduces cholesterol, it strengthens the bones. Well, while doing this, I just thought of it. I put it through a strainer or a sieve, whatever you have, what you prefer. Look at that color. That's amazing. This I will put in smoothie, and this I will put in salads. So I suppose this should be a good combination for salads. So I'll be trying that, and I encourage you to try it as well. And see how you feel. Well, I sprinkle some of the avocado seeds on my amazing salad. Simple. Can't wait to try. Well, I must admit that it was a great taste, and it's well worth the effort to blend your avocado seed